Is your office ready to sparkle this Christmas? Have you ever walked into a workspace so beautifully decorated that it instantly lifted your mood? What if you could turn your dull, everyday office into a festive wonderland? Without breaking the bank or overwhelming your workspace? Today, we're going to explore some brilliant and cozy Christmas office decor. Ideas that will bring joy, color, and holiday spirit to your 9-to-5 life. Whether you work in a big corporate building or a small home office corner, these ideas will make your workspace feel magical, festive, and full of Christmas cheer. So, grab a cup of cocoa, sit back, and let's get decorating. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpedia, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. How to make small spaces look festive with Target decor? Living in a smaller home doesn't mean skipping the Christmas magic. Use Target's mini trees, wall-mounted garlands, and window decorations. Their string lights and tabletop pieces create a festive glow without cluttering space. You can even turn your TV unit or shelves into Christmas corners with miniature stockings, candles, and a touch of sparkle. How can you add instant Christmas vibes to your office? Start with the basics: color, light, and small festive touches. Switch your office palette to classic Christmas tones: red, green, white, and gold. Add mini LED fairy lights around your desk, or hang a simple garland over your computer screen. Place a small tabletop Christmas tree with personalized ornaments, or mini office-themed decorations. Even something as small as a Christmas-themed mug or mousepad can instantly shift the mood. If this idea is already sparking your creativity, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your coworkers who love decorating too. What are some desk decoration ideas that don't take up space? For small office setups, think vertical. Use mini stockings to hold pens, sticky notes, or candy canes. Replace your normal photo frame with a Christmas-themed one. Add scented candles like cinnamon or pine if allowed. They make your workspace smell festive and cozy. You can even use a Christmas desk mat or a red ribbon around your monitor for a quick festive accent. Which of these small space decor ideas would you try first? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your creative ideas. How can you involve your team in decorating the office? One of the best ways to spread joy is to make decorating a group activity. Organize a Decorate Your Desk contest, or have a theme day where each department chooses a color or decoration style. You can even create a Christmas wall where everyone adds their wishes, goals, or gratitude notes. This not only enhances decor but also builds team spirit and positivity. What are some budget-friendly Christmas decor ideas? You don't have to spend a fortune to make your office festive. DIY paper snowflakes, mason jar candle holders, or ribbon bows can make a big difference. Use wrapping paper to decorate walls, file cabinets, or even your door. Reuse old ornaments from previous years creatively. Spray paint them in gold or white for a fresh new look. If you love simple and affordable ideas like these, make sure to subscribe. I share fresh decor inspiration every week. How can you bring the spirit of Christmas virtually for remote workers? Not everyone works in a physical office, so let's not forget remote setups. Add a festive virtual background during video meetings. Wear Santa hats or Christmas sweaters on casual Fridays. You can even host a virtual ornament making session or a digital secret Santa gift exchange. Creating a shared online playlist of Christmas songs can also lift the mood and bring people together, no matter where they are. If you think virtual celebrations sound fun too, don't forget to like and share this video so more teams can spread the joy. So, remember those questions we started with? How to make your office shine, feel cozy, and radiate Christmas cheer? You now have everything you need to transform your workspace, from your desk to the team area, into a holiday retreat. Christmas decor doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant. It's about creating a warm, positive, and joyful environment that inspires everyone around you. So, as you step into this festive season, take these ideas and let your creativity shine. Make your workspace a place where every corner whispers, "Merry Christmas." Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy Christmas inspiration.